Hi everybody, here is Imran from the Kokoro office in Vienna. And as you all know, we are currently offering 4 online workshops under the umbrella title of Leading in Uncertainty. And today I want to talk to you about one of them. On the 4th of June, between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Central European Time, we're going to be doing a workshop called Why Safety Matters. It's how you create confidence and how you use psychological safety best at an individual level, at a team level, and at an organizational level. And just give you some idea of what's going to be going on in that workshop, and I hope you can come and join us and learn with us. And all you got to do is hit the link above or below, or write to me and I will register you and sign you up. What's going to happen in the workshop is we're going to take a 3-step approach to it. And the first step is going to be about, well, how do you get the data? How do you surface the data so you can sense what's going on in your team or in your organization? And only when you've got that data are you able to then structure that data. And that's going to be the second step. So there are many ways you can structure data, and we'll show you how best to structure data so you can work out whether it's learning data or blaming data, or if it's summative data or formative data, or, and finally, if it is generative or validating data. And once we've shown you that, and you're able to see, for example, what data is most useful, what will give you the most value in this workshop is the last part, which is about how to apply that to your current situation, your business, your team, your organization. So the application of this to your current context is what's going to make this workshop a workshop worth joining, registering for, and having the opportunity to meet a group of great people from which we can all learn. So that's it, I think. Hope to see you there. As I said, it's the 4th of June between 7 p.m. and 9 p.m. Central European Time. Take care and goodbye.